are going to start mass. In mass, there are some important measurements, okay? Comparative measurements. First one is 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligrams, okay? 1000 milligrams. This is the first measurement. Then 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams, okay? 1000 grams. Similarly, last one is 1 ton, okay? 1 ton is equals to 1000 kilograms. These are the three parameters we are going to use under this topic mass. 1 gram equals to 1000 milligrams, 1 kilogram equals to 1000 grams, and 1 ton equals to 1000 kilograms. Firstly, let's discuss conversion grams to milligrams. Okay, here I'll give you we already know that 1 gram equals to 1000 milligrams. This is the key thing you have to use under this topic. Okay. Here my first question is, in 3 grams, how many milligrams? How many milligrams? This is our first question. You have to think about it. 1 gram, 1000 milligrams. So 3 grams should be 3 times 1000. You have to multiply 3 into 1000. So that will give you 3000 milligrams. 3000 milligrams in 3 grams. This is the way you have to do conversion from grams to milligram. When we deal with some decimal values, here 15.2 15.2 grams to milligrams. What do we need to do? We have to multiply 15.2 into 1000. Okay, 15.2 into 1000. We discussed how to multiply decimals under the topic called decimals. Okay, here when we multiply, the task is easy. Here there are 3 zeros, no? So we can write it as 15.2 multiplied with 10 to the power of 3. Okay, 10 to the power of 3. In this case, when you multiply, the decimal should move 3 digits rightwards. Okay, 3 digits towards right. So here is our decimal already appearing here. We have to move our decimal 3 digits rightwards. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here only we have to place our decimal. But in here, in between we have only some spaces. There is no any digits here. Okay. Instead of leaving it as a space, we can fill up this with by using zeros. So finally your answer should be 15,200 grams. Okay, 15,200 grams. It's not grams, it should be milligrams. Okay, milligrams. We have to multiply this by 1000. That's the only thing. How we multiply? 1000 means we can represent 1000 as 10 to the power of 3. Okay, there are 3 zeros now. 10 to the power of 3. While multiplying with 10 powers, the decimal should move the power time rightwards. That means here the power is 3. So 3 digits towards right. 1, 2, 3. Here only we have to place our decimal. But in between there are some empty blanks. We have to fill up them by using 0 digits. So this will become 15,200 milligrams. Next question is 30.215 grams to milligrams. We are going to convert grams to milligrams. What do we need to do? We have to multiply this by 1000. Okay, 30.125 should be multiplied by 1000. 1000 means we can represent 1000 as 10 to the power of 3. Okay, 10 to the power of 3. So while multiplying with 10 powers, the decimal should move 3 digit leftwards. That means 30.125. This is our number. The decimal should move 3 digit rightwards. 1, 2, 3. So finally our answer should be 30,125 milligrams. 30,125 milligrams. Okay. There is no any confusions here. In previous question, we does not have any numbers. Okay, we does not have any enough numbers in the blanks. That's why we fill those blanks by using some 0 digits. But in this case, we have enough digits. So we can write it as 30,125 milligrams. That's all for our conversion. You should multiply by 1000. That's the thing you have to do in here. Yeah, this is, let's change it as 125. 125. So the answer should be 30,125 milligrams. Okay, 7 grams to milligrams. So 7 should be multiplied by 1000. So 7 multiplied by 1000, that should be 7,000 milligrams in this case. Okay, for our second question, 12.3. Okay, 12.3 should be multiplied by 1000. While we are going to multiply by 1000, we have to move our decimal 3 digits towards right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, in only one space we have a number. In the remaining space we can fill up by using zeros. The final answer should be 12,300 milligrams. Okay, for the next one, 42.244. Okay, this one should be multiplied by 1000. In here, what do we need to do? A decimal should move 3 digits rightwards. 1, 2, 3. So here only we have a blank. Here let's fill it with by using 0. So 42,240 milligrams. This is gonna be your answer in this case. For our last question, 1.075. Okay, let's move our decimal 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So this one became 1075 milligrams. That's gonna be your answer in this case. Okay, the task is easy. Okay, task is very easy. You have to multiply by that by using number 1000. While multiplying by using number 1000, 1000 means 10 to the power of 3, no? So we have to move our decimal 3 digits rightwards. While multiplying, we have to move our decimal rightwards. While dividing, we have to move our decimal leftwards. Let's discuss those questions after this.